Welcome. If you're looking to enable file sharing in your Telegram group on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow as a group admin to allow your members to send files with ease. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Telegram website and sign in with your account. Once you're in, look at your chat list and select the group where you want to enable file sharing. Remember, you need to be an admin of the group to make these changes. Now at the top right corner of your group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu with more options. From this menu, choose Manage Group. This will take you to the Group Settings panel, where you can control various aspects of your group. Inside the Manage Group section, find and click on Permissions. This is where you decide what your group members can and cannot do. Look for the Send Media option in the Permissions list. Click on it to expand the available media types. Here you'll see an option specifically for files. If this is currently disabled, simply toggle it to enable file sharing. This will allow your group members to send documents, images, videos, and other files directly in the group chat, making collaboration and sharing much smoother for everyone. After enabling the Files option, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Your group members can now send files up to Telegram's generous size limit, making it perfect for sharing everything from important documents to large presentations. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your Telegram group even more interactive and useful. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Telegram experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.